Here we have our transmission report for the night Swannies. We have one for both the day and the night Swannies. And the front page, you can see that this is the independent lab that conducted the tests. If you go to the last page, this has the transmission data. This is the results report that Colts Laboratories has put together for us. So there are two sections. There is a table right here, and there is also a graph right here. And they both represent the same information in different ways. So in terms of the table, you can see there are two different alternating columns. One represents nanometers, and those numbers are in bold, and you can see they are in 5 nanometer increments. Nanometers is how the light spectrum is measured. So blue light operates from 400 to 500 nanometers. Anything below 400 is UV light, and then above 500, it goes into green light, and then so on. On this column, this represents percentage of transmission. So what this means is it's measuring how much light at this particular nanometer was passing through our night lens. So if we want to look at the blue light in particular, we would start at 400 nanometers. So at 400 nanometers, we can see that 0% of blue light was passing through the night lens. And that means 100% of blue light was being blocked. If we look at halfway through the blue light spectrum at 450 nanometers, for example, once again, we can see here that it was at 0%, meaning it's still blocking 100% of blue light. At 500 nanometers, which is the high end of the blue light spectrum, we can see that it was blocking over 99% because only 0.49% of blue light was able to pass through the night lens. And the part of the blue light spectrum which is known to most affect sleep and the ability to produce melatonin is between 400 and 480. So we can see between 400 and 480, we're ranging at the top level, 0.08% of blue light was able to pass through. So virtually 100% of blue light being blocked once again. Very nominal amount of blue light. So overall, we can see that over 99% of blue light is being blocked by the night Swannies, and very little light is able to pass. The light that is able to pass would be so small that it would not have any sort of impact. Every blue light blocking glasses company should be able to provide you with a report like this. If they do not, that is definitely something that you should take into account when choosing what glasses to wear. We can see here also the graphical representation of this data here, if that's more preferential to you. As you can see, it's not quite as detailed as this though. If you have any questions or need assistance in reading a transmission report, we'd be happy to assist you, and you can reach out to us by email at support@swanwicksleep.com.